Bitcoin hits $150,000, a new chapter in financial history. In a development that has stunned investors and economists alike, Bitcoin has surged to an unprecedented value of $150,000. This milestone, once considered a distant dream, has now become a reality, signaling a new chapter in the evolution of digital finance. As the world watches this historic rise, questions about the future of money, banking, and economic power are being raised with renewed urgency. Bitcoin's climb to $150,000 in such a short span of time is the result of several converging factors. First, increased institutional adoption has played a major role. Global companies and investment firms have poured billions into Bitcoin, treating it not just as a speculative asset, but as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. As traditional financial systems continue to face challenges, many investors see Bitcoin as a more stable and independent store of value. Second, geopolitical uncertainty and growing distrust in central banks have pushed more individuals and institutions to seek alternatives. With inflation rising and fiat currencies weakening in several parts of the world, Bitcoin's fixed supply and decentralized structure have become more appealing than ever. This shift in perspective has fueled massive demand, contributing to the dramatic price surge. Governments, too, are starting to pay closer attention. Some are rethinking their stance on digital currencies, while others, like El Salvador, have already embraced Bitcoin as legal tender. The $150,000 milestone has accelerated this global conversation, highlighting the need for clearer regulations, better infrastructure, and inclusive policies that allow ordinary people to benefit from this financial transformation. However, this historic high also brings challenges. Volatility remains a concern, and critics argue that Bitcoin's rapid rise could lead to another bubble. Additionally, questions about energy consumption and environmental impact continue to follow the cryptocurrency. Despite these concerns, Bitcoin's resilience and growing legitimacy cannot be ignored. Bitcoin reaching $150,000 is more than a price point. It is a symbol of shifting power in the global economy. It reflects changing attitudes toward money, technology, and trust. While the future of Bitcoin is still being written, one thing is clear. It has already reshaped the financial landscape and will continue to influence how we think about value in the digital age.